Hello aspirants, welcome to Ekamai's Academy. Today we are going to discuss about International Tiger Day, which is generally celebrated on July 29th of every year. So what is the importance of tiger in India and as well as environmental conservation? What are all the measures taken for tiger related conservation? At the same time, we'll be looking into one important aspect which was highlighted in today's Hindu newspaper, that is how many people are getting displaced because of Project Tiger or tiger related conservation, which is raising an alarm situation. At the same time, we'll also be discussing about global tiger initiatives in a quick and brief informative video. Let us discuss here. So first thing we have to keep in mind, there is an important announcement regarding TGPSC Group 1 Mains Test Series, which is about to start from 9th August. So this is going to be the second batch, and there we are going to conduct every day. Sectional test will be conducted with around 600 plus questions will be prepared in hand, so that you will have that confidence before the examination, where you'll also be attempting almost daily tests of 59, 12 sectional tests and 6 essay tests. At the same time, 5 revision tests and 1 mega grand test will be there. Your evaluation copies will be given in 3 working days along with detailed explanation copy after the test, right? Then if you wanted to join in essay and ethics module, this is the best time, because this is going to be launched under Oberoi sir guidance. Sir is very good in dealing essay and ethics. He will be covering all essay related aspects in 30 plus hours. So where he'll be training you to present a better essay using all the techniques which you have to impart, right? So this program has started on 29 July. Admissions are still open. You can join. And if you want to know further details, you can contact on the number displayed on the screen, right? Then, so what is the issue we are discussing? It is International Tiger Day. So why we celebrate International Tiger Day? Because we need to raise conservation about the conservation of tiger, raise awareness about the conservation of tiger. So this is the day when we celebrate International Tiger Day. So why we started or why we selected this day means, this is the day on which St. Petersburg Declaration was signed in the year 2010. What is the objective of this declaration? To double the tigers at least by 2022. That means how much is the global population of tigers that we wanted to at least double by 2022. But interestingly, India, as part of its commitments, have achieved this target 4 years ahead only, that is in 2018, before the deadline. So this is what the significance of choosing July 29th as the day of International Tiger, right? So then, what is another important aspect you have to keep in mind? Coming to the element of tiger, you know, this is a national animal, Royal Bengal tiger, which is having IUCN status of endangered, right? So if you see, tiger is considered as an umbrella species. So because it protects different other species, and it is also flagship species because it normally have this indication, or you can say it is like a keystone species which protects the entire ecosystem. Then what is another important aspect you have to keep in mind? Tiger, normally in India, if you see, there are greater than 3,000 tigers. According to All India Tiger Estimation, there are 3,167 tigers, right? Then what is the main important aspect you have to keep in mind with respect to tiger conservation is, we almost have 13 range countries in which this tiger is present, right? And in India, if you see, around greater than 75% of the world's population of tigers is present only in India. Out of 13 countries, 75% tigers are present. That means if you see, country-wise, India is having the highest number, followed by Russia, then followed by Indonesia, then followed by Nepal, then Thailand. So this is the top 5 countries, you can say, or these are the 5 countries with highest number of tiger population. Then if you see how many tigers already got extinct means, Caspian tiger, Javan and Bali tigers. So these tiger species already got extinct, okay? So they are not available anymore. Then coming to global tiger efforts, okay? So what are the different tiger efforts we have launched? Government of India has launched Project Tiger. So you know, this was the outcome after Indira Gandhi has attended Stockholm conference in the year 1972. She has launched this Project Tiger in the year 1973, especially to conserve the tigers, which is the national animal also. So then who is monitoring this? It is monitored by National Tiger Conservation Authority. So this is a statutory body established under Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 after the recommendations of Tiger Task Force. It was created in the year 2006, right? Then if you see, here who will be the chairman of this? Ministry of Environment and Forest will be the chairman of NTCA. Then any particular tiger reserve, if it has to be created or established, then it has to be initially initiated by the state government, then it has to be approved by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, after which the state government, after securing the approval from NTCA, it finally notifies the tiger reserve. As on date, we have 54 tiger reserves, and 55th tiger reserves also is in the process of notification. What is the 54th one and 55th one? If you know, let me know in the comment section. Then coming to other initiatives which are taken, we have Global Tiger Forum. Global Tiger Forum, right? So this Global Tiger Forum is the only intergovernmental organization with respect to conservation of tigers. So this is also having the objective of doubling the tigers at least. Okay, so this was initiated in the year 2008 to 2010 period to double the tigers, right? Then if you see, there is also another initiative called Global Tiger Initiative. So this is an initiative of different governments and civil societies, especially with respect to conservation of wild tigers. Then we also have TX2, that means doubling of tigers. This is an initiative by World Wildlife Fund for Nature. So this is having the objective of doubling the tigers. This we already have achieved, right? Then there is also a standards, Conservation Assured Tiger Standards. To maintain certain standards in tiger reserves and all, we have this initiative that also as part of WWF conservation. That means Worldwide Fund for Nature, right? This is an initiative. Then if you see, recently on the occasion of 50 years of Project Tiger, we have also announced International Big Cat Alliance. This was actually spearheaded by India itself. So out of which we are conserving 7 big cats, and out of 7 big cats, only 5 are there in India, like lion, leopard, cheetah, tiger, as well as lion, leopard, cheetah, tiger and snow leopard, right? What are the animals, or what are the 2 big cats which we don't have in India? It is puma and jaguar, right? So these are 2 not there in India. Then coming to this, after this, what are the things we have to keep in mind? What are the areas in which tigers are more present in India? If you see tigers, okay. So first state is Madhya Pradesh. As I told you already, 3,161 is the official estimate, because you know this is subjective also. There may be some change, but officially this was the number. Then second is Karnataka. Then third is Uttarakhand. So these are the top 3 states with highest number of tigers. Then in terms of tiger reserves wise, density of tigers is more in, first is in Corbett. Then you have second place is Bandipur. Right, then you have third is Nagarhole, then fourth is Bandhavgarh in Madhya Pradesh. So these are the top tiger reserves with more density of tiger population. Then if you see, there are certain tiger reserves which even doesn't have any tigers, like Dudhwa in the state of UP, or you also have Dampa Tiger Reserve. Okay, so certain tiger reserves are having very bad performance in terms of tiger conservation. For example, if you take the case of Telangana itself, we have 2 notified tiger reserves. One is Kaval and Amrabad, right? So if you see this case of Kaval, there is very low tigers that is being recorded in Kaval Tiger Reserve, whereas Amrabad is recording very good number of tiger reserves. That means always we cannot ensure, if you don't take measures, tigers may become extinct also in that particular locality. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind. Then coming to other important thing, what is this particular rights and risk report highlighting is, normally before 2021, for any particular tiger reserve or protection of Project Tiger, if you have to initiate any chance of rehabilitation and all, relief and rehabilitation, on average 5,000 persons used to be displaced before 2021. But according to this report, the current number is almost increasing to 48,000 people. That means for one particular tiger reserve, if you want to conserve and if you want to take some measures, at least 48,000 people are getting displaced. This is highlighted. Then this report is also highlighting with the conservation of almost 53 tiger reserves as on date, or you can say 54, almost 5.5 lakh scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dwellers are also displaced. So this is what the number that is highlighted by a risk and rights and risk weight assessment report of with respect to tiger conservation and all in the light of the International Tiger Day. So you can understand how much is the displacement of tigers. So what is the reason is, again, because of man-animal conflict. In case if you want to conserve the tiger, you need to ensure there is a core area, buffer area and transition area in the protected area. And already there is a concept of ecologically sensitive zones also. That means you need to demarcate at least 10 kilometers from the boundary as ecologically sensitive area, and you cannot allow any human habitations and all within that core area and the transition area. For that reason, lot of tribal people are getting displaced. This is also an alarming rate, you can see. Then coming to the practice question of the day, consider the following areas. 4 options were given: Bandipur, Bhitarkanika, Manas and Sundarbans, out of which or how many are the tiger reserves? Try to choose the correct combination and let me know in the comment section. Then, as we have reached end of the video, today we have discussed about what is International Tiger Day, why we celebrate July 29th as the International Tiger Day, and what is the recent report saying with respect to alarming rate of displacement because of tiger reserves and Project Tiger, along with tiger related conservation measures we have seen, and what are the practice questions given for the day also we have seen, along with other information which is useful for your examination. As much as I can give in a very short video, I have done that. I think if you found this video informative, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you again.